Welcome back. Accused in the murder case of Father Eusebio Ferrao are set free. Session Court at Margao released them, giving benefit of doubt.
Father Eusebio Ferrao was murdered in March 2006 at Makazana. Later, the Maina Kutorim police arrested Manish Dubey and Amit Shukla, both hailing from Uttar Pradesh. The accused were arrested on 4th of April 2006, and till then they were kept at the Sada sub-jail in Vasco. Manish and Amit said that they had full faith in law.
अपने को कानून पे भरोसा था और हमने जो किया नहीं उसकी हमको 2 साल निकालना पड़ा और भगवान पे भरोसा था और रही बात चाहे वो ईसा मसीह हो, चाहे अल्लाह हो, चाहे राम हो, सब पे भरोसा था। हम सबको मानते हैं।
हमें मालूम था कि हमने कुछ नहीं किया है और हमें गोवा गवर्नमेंट पे और गोवा कोर्ट पे पूरा भरोसा,
कानून पे पूरा विश्वास था।
Assistant Jail Superintendent of Sada Jail, G.S. Parab, told that Manish and Amit were of sober behavior and they never created problem in jail.
सेशन कोर्टाची ऑर्डर जाल्ली आसा की ते एक्विटेड म्हणून हे पळयात एक्यूज आर एक्विटेड of the offence is punishable under section 302 read with 34 IPC by giving benefit of doubt and are ordered to be set at liberty if not required in any other case. सध्या आमच्याकडे त्यांच्याकडे दुसरी आणि केस ना कसली त्यांना ते एकच केशीन आमच्याकडे आता ट्रायल करता येते ते आज आमच्या सेशन कोर्टाप्रमाणे ते सुटले.
Advocate Amay Prabhudesai, the defense lawyer, said that prosecution failed to prove their crime.
फादर फेर्नाव मर्डर केस म्हणटा वो इश्यू जाल्लो म्हळ्यार वो इन्सिडंट जाल्लो 17th and 18th of March 06 ह्या इंटरव्हिनिंग नायट म्हळ्यार ते दीस रातचो मदीं जाल्लो तो. आनीक हांवें पयलीं हांव स्टार्टिंगाक जेन्ना आयला तेन्ना हांव फकत एक्यूज नंबर 1 खातीर केस चलयतालो आनी आतां लेटली म्हळ्यार सादारणता 18 विटनेस खातीर हांवें ती एक्यूज नंबर 2 खातीर केस घेतली. हांव दोगांयकी आतां केस चलयतालो आनीक तातूंत बारीकसो म्हजो फक्त स्टँड इतलोच आशिल्लो की prosecution has basically failed to prove their own case.
The order was passed by Additional Session Judge Bimba Thali. Our reporter in Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
Manohar Parrikar has claimed that BJP government coming back to power entirely depends upon victory in Pali election. He has said that if BJP wins Pali, they will be back in power.
वेरवल भारतीय जनता पक्ष स्पष्ट आश्वासन दिता की आमचे सरकार पाळी जिखल्यानंतर येणे इमिनंट आसा अशें म्हाका चित्र दिसता. फुडल्या 6 म्हयन्या भितर लोकसभेच्यो निवडणुको आहा त्यामुळे आय डोंट सी एनी रिजन वाय BJP गव्हर्नमेंट डज नॉट कम टू पॉवर.
BJP feels that fresh face like Dr. Pramod Sawant will give them edge in the election.
Very confident that on 26th the people of Pale constituency will re-elect Bharatiya Janata Party nominee Dr. Pramod Sawant to the State Assembly. There is a positive inclination by the people of the constituency towards BJP.
Meanwhile, Congress MP Shantaram Naik has alleged that BJP's anti-Bahujan Samaj policy has been once again proved with they neglecting Dr. Suresh Amunkar.
आमोणकराक इनकम्पेटंट म्हणपा फाटल्यान एक पार्श्वभूमी आसा. ही BJPची पार्श्वभूमी ती अशी की भाजपान बहुजन समाजाक वयर चडपा दिवप ना हो एक तांची कॉन्स्पिरसी आसा. इवन श्रीपाद नायकाक कशे तरेन सकल उडोवन काबार करचो हे भयंकर प्लॅनिंग करून अनेक वेळा श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर यशस्वी जालो ना. आमोणकराचें नांव मदीं मदीं जेन्ना वेळार लोक पर्रीकराचे विरुद्ध वताले तेन्ना भाजप आमोणकराचें नांव येतालें एज पॉसिबल सक्सेसर टू पर्रीकर आनी हो दंश ताणें दवरलो आनी ह्या दंशामुळे ताका उडयलो. आनी दुसरें म्हणजे बहुजन समाज.
Definitely, the battleground is heating up. Only point is whether Pari has strength to break or make the government. Our reporter from Panji, Yashwant Parab and Uday Parab in Pari.
After school children from Malla presented a memorandum to Child Commission for Protection of Child Rights on Monday, the chairperson of Child Commission visited the garbage dumping site at Pato on Tuesday.
Everyday we get some or other nausea and cold, vomiting, fever, and we can't even study well.
Exactly. When the situation environment is bad, how will you study?
And we answered our exam like this. Then we removed the morcha. At that time, at the morcha, we had taken the dustbins to show the CCP the dustbins.
Chairperson of Child Commission for Protection of Child Rights on Tuesday morning visited schools at Pato, which included Dr. K.B. Hegdewar, People's High School, Mary Immaculate School and Seventh-day Adventist English Primary School. Later they visited the garbage disposal site at Pato.
Health and education, it is in our jurisdiction to take care of the child. What is in our jurisdiction and what best we can do, we will definitely take up a meeting, because this is a very severe problem, and whatever best we can do, you all will soon come to know after 1 week. Children were brave enough, and they are very confident about the problems they are facing, and they are suffering. In fact, the 3-4 children, they came and they were telling me, and they were really pleading me, to do something about this, because they cannot concentrate on their studies, they cannot do the exercise, they cannot do, and even the teachers cannot do about it. Initiative of coming up to today itself in the morning and seeing the site, it's really disgusting, and I really pity the way the children have been accommodating all these years, and they've been coping up with this problem for the last 2 years. They are coping up with this problem, and as we come to the site, we can see that it is also the latest thing which have been dumped, like something very fresh what we notice.
The security person had no idea about his duties at site.
कैसा आता है? ट्रक्स में आता है? कौन लाता है? ट्रक में कौन लाता है? सरकार लाता है, म्युनिसिपैलिटी या प्राइवेट लोग लाते हैं? तुम्हारी कौन सी सिक्योरिटी है? तुम देखते नहीं कौन आता है? तुमको बोला नहीं है स्टॉप करने के लिए गार्बेज आके ये है? आपको क्या बोला है? कोई गार्बेज लाया तो रख देने को बोला है? हाँ, तो आपने स्टॉप क्यों नहीं किया? आप क्या काम नहीं करते? आप
म्यूनसिपैलिटी के लिए काम करते हैं ना?
आप म्यूनसिपैलिटी के हैं?
म्यूनसिपैलिटी ने बंद करने को बोला है।
ये म्यूनसिपैलिटी को मालूम है डेली गार्बेज यहाँ आके डालते हैं करके? इनको मालूम है?
Jatin Naik, who was also present, said that CCP should not allow casinos to dump their garbage illegally at Pato.
सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन आणि गव्हर्नमेंट ऑफ गोवा यांच्याकडे की काझिनो जे आमकां काझिनोक लायसन दिल्या पळय सरकारान, तो काझिनोचो सगळो गार्बेज ते इलिगली हांगा डंप करता. आतां आमकां ऑब्जेक्शन नासलें फक्त काझिनोचो तेंच्यांनी गार्बेज उखल्ल्या म्हणून, पण सिटी कॉर्पोरेशन एके कडेन सांगता की आमची पणजेची जी हॉटेलां आसा तेंचे गार्बेज उखलचे ना, आणि तेंचे गार्बेज ते उखलिना, पण आमच्या काझिनोचे गार्बेज उखलून ते हांगा सगळं डंप करता. हेजेर आमकां ऑब्जेक्शन आसा.
Coming days will tell us if children can breathe unpolluted and stenchless air, or they will have to continue living with the fear of health hazardous diseases and stinking campus. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamli.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.